If your PC is overheating, follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve fan issues. Clean the air vents. Turn off the computer and disconnect all external devices. Unplug the AC adapter and remove the battery if possible. Hold a can of compressed air at a 90-degree angle, 6 to 8 inches away, to blow out any dust. Reinstall the battery and plug the charger back in. Reconnect the external devices and restart the computer. Updating drivers with Support Assist can also resolve fan problems. If you don't have Support Assist installed on your system, download it at the link shown. Click on the Windows Start button to search for and open Support Assist. In the Home tab, click on Update Software. Press Start to prompt Support Assist to scan the system and download any required updates. Click on View Updates and then Install. Wait for Support Assist to download and install the pending updates. Follow the on-screen instructions and restart the computer when prompted. Finally, let's change the system's power setting to balanced. Right-click on the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Select Power and Sleep Settings. In the Power section, choose Balanced as the power mode. If you're still having fan issues, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Dell support videos.